Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use Storyblocks to enhance your YouTube content or any other online media. We'll explore stock video, music, and images, everything you need to create high-quality content. Let's dive in. First, head to Storyblocks.com. You can access a vast library of royalty-free video, music, and image assets. Storyblocks offers two pricing plans, one for individuals and one for businesses. For individual creators, the Unlimited All Access plan is the most versatile, offering unlimited downloads of HD and 4K footage, music, sound effects, and images. Once you're logged in, you'll see options for videos, audio, and images. Let's start with video. For example, if I want footage for a safari-themed video, I can search for Safari, and Storyblocks will provide a variety of options: wildlife scenes, landscapes, and more. You can filter by quality, HD or 4K, and choose the perfect clip. I'll select one, preview it, and download it to my computer. Next, let's explore the music library. Storyblocks provides over 5,000 tracks, perfect for setting the right mood for your videos. You can filter by mood or genre. For instance, for a safari video, I might want something adventurous or atmospheric. Just preview the tracks and download the one that fits your video. Storyblocks also offers a wide range of images. If I need a background or thumbnail image for my safari project, I can search for wildlife or savanna, and you'll find stunning photos. These images can complement your videos or stand alone in social media posts or thumbnails. Like before, just preview and download the one that works best. Now let's take a look at Storyblocks Maker, their easy-to-use video editor. You don't need any advanced editing skills to create professional quality videos. You can access all the Storyblocks footage, audio, and images directly from the editor, or even upload your own. Choose a ready-to-use template or start from scratch by selecting your aspect ratio. Once inside the editor, drag and drop your clips, audio, and images into the timeline. You can adjust their duration, position elements on the canvas, and even add text or animations. When your video is ready, click Export, select the quality, and Storyblocks will compile everything for you. Try it out today and start creating professional quality videos faster than ever before. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.